right here, huh? No Sean, right here. We'll see what goes on here. We'll work as hard as I can, train as hard as I can. But I gotta be this far. I could be best person I could be, some girl, best athlete I could be, and a chance will come out there. IFL 2020, I firmly believe it. Like I said, hopefully it's earlier, but I had the same faith I had in mid-June of 2019. I want them to have the same faith about that, and me to have the same faith with that and hope, and that will happen. Whether it's March, April, May, it will happen, regardless. All right, because I'm believing it.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Hey, do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Oh, no. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Man, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that, man. Don't do that.
Watch him bubble guppies. Don't do that.
Here. Hey, you want some more? Here, ready? Hang on. Hang on, ready? There you go, alright? Guys, you can swim too, alright?
But it's all this hard work and a lot of stuff. It's just, it's everything. I've been working harder than a lot of other people. And with my quarterback, I was out there with the quarterback the other day, and I've been overtraining on bike and treadmill sprints first before I did that. So literally, I was still quick, still catching the pass. But like I said, get back to where I am at. Fast, quick, out of breaks, in and out of breaks, quick. 100% I'm blessed and unstoppable every single time. So don't let somebody dictate what you can and cannot do because your age, where you're from, what you're doing. All right? Because I can do that. Regardless. And I want to fly him out there to see me play at some point. But I hope.
No, eat. We don't play around or eat, okay? I don't want you to choke. Don't play around or eat. Eat first, okay? Eat first, okay?
So I want to fly him out there whenever it's March, April, May. I'll be out there regardless. So I can tell you all this stuff, all this positive stuff here. Here, stop. Here, stop. Stop, here. Take this. Take that. Stop. No. Hey, no, see, eat. I want you to eat. I want you to eat that out. Eat that first. Eat that first, man. Eat that first, man. Nope. And so, like I said, I want it to be a certain time. And I can tell you all the stuff about Spokane, personal, all that stuff, Green Bay, Arizona. But I just give faith to God. And I stay humble.
Yeah. I stay humble and hungry
every single time. Right, every single time.
Oh, you got to it. Oh! See? You see it? Bang! Bang!
Well, you know how it is right here, you know. We'll be alright? IFL 2021, right here. Because I believe it right there.